Hi guys, this is Haini. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and super delicious salmon fried rice. It is so quick and easy to make, and it tastes absolutely amazing. You have to try. First, you will need 200 grams of smoked salmon. I like the kind that with black pepper on top. You can easily find this kind of salmon in your local supermarkets. Now use your hands to flake the salmon into large chunks. You are also welcome to use fresh salmon fillets, and remember to pre-cook your salmon before adding to the fried rice. But I find that the black pepper smoked salmon has that amazing flavor which goes perfectly with the fried rice. Set this aside and we will use it later. Now prepare 2 large eggs and whisk well. Eggs are must-have for a classic Chinese fried rice. I used the leftover rice from the day before. You can also cook your rice during the day and let it cool down. Next, in a wok, adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Set the heat on medium-high. Adding 6 large garlic cloves that are finely chopped. Then stir fry for about 15 seconds until fragrant. Now pour in the eggs. Let the eggs sit for about 30 seconds before scrambling. I can already smell that amazing garlicky and eggy aroma. Now it's time to add in the rice. Combine well, and you want to make sure that the rice and the eggs and the garlic are nicely mixed. Then adding the smoked salmon. Then adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a good mix. The combination of the light soy sauce and the oyster sauce really makes the flavor into the next level. Now adding half teaspoon of black pepper. If you like it spicy, you can also add 1 tablespoon of 老干妈 chili sauce. Then adding half teaspoon of sugar. Mix well again. Lastly, adding 2 green onions that are finely chopped. Combine everything well and see how beautiful the color is. Now let's do some final garnish, adding some extra green onions on top and some black pepper. Voila! The salmon fried rice is ready. This salmon fried rice is not only super easy to make, it is healthy and delicious at the same time. This is perfect for a quick lunch and a simple weeknight meal, and it can easily become one of your family favorites. If you like me or my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. See you in my next video. Thank you and bye!